Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Dr. Osli Usman. Saya adalah dosen dari Prodi Bisnis Digital, Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis, Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Saya merupakan dosen pembimbing kedua dari mahasiswa yang bernama Rika Noviana Mulia dengan judul penelitian pengaruh pengetahuan kewirausahaan dan lingkungan keluarga terhadap minat wirausaha siswa kelas 11 di SMKN 10 Jakarta. Berikut adalah pemaparan penelitian tersebut. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Rika Noviana Mulia from Education of Office Administration 2019, Faculty of Economics at State University of Jakarta. In this video, I will present my thesis proposal, and the title is The Influence of Entrepreneurial Knowledge and Family Environment on the Interest in Entrepreneurship of Class 11 students at 10 Vocational High School in Jakarta. In making this thesis proposal, I was guided by Professor Dr. Dedi Purwana ES and Dr. Osli Usman MBus. This video was created to register for the proposal seminar sessions. First is background. Based on the data above, which has been reported by the Badan Pusat Statistik, the unemployment rate in 2020 to 2022 has decreased. However, the open unemployment rate for that year at every level, it was not that vocational high school graduates had the highest unemployment rate, even though it always decreased every year. In 2022, the number of unemployment from vocational high school graduates is 9.42, whereas vocational high school graduates should already have special skills provided by their schools, because vocational high school students are indeed formed to be ready to face the world of work. And the conclusion that we can do is, first, grow interest as well as increase motivation student for entrepreneurship, which give knowledge entrepreneurship, and environment family, which give support for student entrepreneurship. And the next is formulation of the problem. In this research, the formulation of the problem to be raised are, first, is knowledge entrepreneurship influence interest entrepreneurship student class 11 in SMK Negeri 10 Jakarta. The second is environment family influence interest entrepreneurship student class 11 in SMK Negeri 10 Jakarta. And the last one is knowledge entrepreneurship and environment family in a manner together influence interest entrepreneurship student class 11 in SMK Negeri 10 Jakarta. The next is purposes of this research. First, to know and analyze influence knowledge entrepreneurship to interest entrepreneurship student class 11 in SMK Negeri 10 Jakarta. And the second is to know and analyze influence environment family to interest entrepreneurship student class 11 in SMK Negeri 10 Jakarta. And the last is to know and analyze influence knowledge entrepreneurship and environment family to interest entrepreneurship student class 11 in SMK Negeri 10 Jakarta. And the next is supporting theory. The first one, according to Sundari and Zuan in 2018, interest entrepreneurship is desire somebody and interest self somebody in work hard for fulfill his wish without afraid excess risk. And the second is according to Prayatno and Ali in 2020, knowledge entrepreneurship is totally from what is known about various information which arrange through processing in a manner rational and logical in operate indicator business. And the last one is according to Fabiola Gustetti and Ermawati in 2022, environment family is group smallest which there is in public and is environment first, which can give influence for development and aid in demand child. The next is theory of connecting between variables. The first one is research that has been conducted by Nawari Saragi, Saute Purba, and Bernier Purba in 2022 entitled Influence Knowledge Entrepreneurship to Interest Entrepreneurship show that knowledge entrepreneurship influential, positive and significant to interest entrepreneurship. And the second is research that has been conducted by Fabiola, Yesi Gusteti, and Eka Ermawati in 2022, entitled Influence Environment Family to Interest Entrepreneurship, show that environment family influential, positive and significant to interest entrepreneurship. And the last one is research that has been conducted by Francis Mulia Cito, Sumarni and Filma Aliasari in 2022, entitled Influence Knowledge Entrepreneurship and Environment Family to Interest Entrepreneurship, show that knowledge, entrepreneurship, and environment family influential, positive and significant to interest entrepreneurship. The conceptual framework on this slide show that this research have three hypotheses, namely, first, entrepreneurship knowledge have an influence on entrepreneurial interest. The second, family environment have an influence on entrepreneurial interest. And the last one is entrepreneurship knowledge and family environment have an influence on entrepreneurial interest. And the next is research methodology. This research was conducted in 10 Vocational High School Jakarta, which is located in the Maijen Sutoyo, East Jakarta. This research was conducted from February to April. In this research, the method used quantitative method, and research get data verified from primary data. The population on this research is all students from classes 11 and came from 4 mayors at Vocational High School 10 Jakarta. And the sample of this research amount to 154 students. Data collection technique in this research is through a question raised that will be dismantling terrible Google Forms. The data analysis technique uses IBM SPSS or Statistical Package for Social Science, version 24, and there are several ways of testing. First, test condition analysis. Second, test assumption classic. Third, equality regression double. Fourth, test hypothesis. And the last one is analyze coefficient determination. That's all the explanations about my thesis proposal. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.